Why do some people avoid you for no apparent reason? Sometimes it's not about what you did, it's about what you represent. Your presence is unsettling and your silence is loud. Your quiet confidence threatens the comfort zones of others. Some people feel overshadowed just because you walked into the room with steady posture and naturally drew attention. It's not arrogance, it's energy. You show that it's possible to be strong without needing to dominate. You have clear boundaries, you know what you want and how to get there, and that scares those who feed on others' weakness. Your lack of neediness makes people who depend on constant validation uncomfortable. You don't play mind games because you know you don't have to please everyone, and that's a powerful move. It disarms manipulators. A lot of people would rather keep their distance than face their own reflection, and you, without realizing it, become that mirror. You reveal what they lack without saying a single word, just by being you. So get ready. The more you grow internally, the more people will try to shrink you externally, because for some, it's easier to tear others down than to build themselves up. But don't take it personally. Not every distance is rejection. Sometimes it's protection. Want to learn how to deal with this kind of energy without letting it drain you? Follow the channel. Here, we turn awareness into power.